In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix judge.me reviews not showing on Shopify. If your product pages are missing the Write a Review button, or you know reviews exist in judge.me, but they're not appearing on certain products, the most common cause is a setting called Web Reviews Restriction. This setting controls who's allowed to see and write reviews directly on your storefront, and when it's tightened too much, it can make your reviews look like they've vanished. Here's how to check and adjust it. In your judge.me admin, head to Settings, then open Publishing and Moderation. In that section, scroll until you find Web Reviews Restriction. Take a close look at what it's set to. If it's set to only verified buyers or only email recipients, judge.me will hide the Write a Review button from anyone who doesn't meet that condition, and in many cases, it will also hide existing reviews from general visitors. That means a casual shopper who hasn't purchased yet won't see social proof, which can reduce trust and conversions. Verified buyers are customers whose orders match the review, and email recipients are people who received a review request email from judge.me. These options are helpful if you want to strictly control authenticity, but they can be confusing if your goal is to display reviews publicly and let anyone submit feedback on the website. If you want your reviews and the Write a Review button to be visible to all visitors, change Web Reviews Restriction to No Restrictions. This tells judge.me to show the button and display eligible reviews to everyone, not just past buyers or email recipients. It's a simple switch, but it resolves the vast majority of missing review situations. A quick note on trade-offs, so you can choose confidently. Restricting to verified buyers or email recipients reduces spam and ensures strong authenticity signals, but it also limits who sees the review interface and can make your product pages look empty. On the other hand, using no restrictions maximizes visibility and social proof on your storefront, which many stores prefer for trust and conversion, especially if you're just starting out or have a lighter review volume. If you do choose no restrictions, remember you still have moderation tools in judge.me to approve, reject, or request edits to keep quality high. Once you've adjusted the Web Reviews restriction to your preference, your product pages should immediately show the Write a Review button and display the reviews you expect. That's all there is to it. By aligning this single setting with your review strategy, you'll restore the visibility of your judge.me reviews on Shopify and give shoppers the social proof they're looking for.